Hello and welcome to Snack Reviews by Sara and finally Cari. Yeah, excuse the hair. Well, it is Halloween time. It's supposed to be frightening. Okay, so there's the hair and there's the makeup-free face.
I wore a hat all day.
But no makeup except for a little bit of black, which I don't know why that stays on my face even in the shower. Alright, so we're doing a quick review on one thing this time because I don't have anything sweet ready. So stop it. Yeah. Oh, it's October 22nd?
3rd. Grandma's birthday.
Oh yeah, happy birthday, Grandma Atkins, who would have been 102 today.
102?
Yep, that's what Daddy told me.
Wow.
Alright, so October 23rd, 2018, around almost 9 o'clock. Now, we're going to review something that goes really well at Halloween time. Pizza! Chips!
Yeah, what's pizza better?
Oven-baked pizza chips. Parmesan and Romano.
I like pizza better.
Everyone likes pizza better. I found these at Cracker Barrel. They're by that brand right there. For like, I think they were like $3. Alright, so here we go. Here comes the opening. It smells like, it almost smells like, you know, those hard bread sticks you get from Italian places. That's kind of what it smells like.
Oh,
Look how chintzy.
Yeah.
That's how much you get.
You pay for the air.
Yeah, we're paying for air. So they look like. Okay, here we go.
Weird.
What it looks like.
You need something to dip it in. Definitely need something to dip it in. I mean, they're not bad. I should need something to dip it in. You have something to dip it in?
You said that 3 times in a row.
Where?
Definitely need something. Cheese dip would be good. Wow. I would not get these again. But we're gonna try salsa.
You have some like pizza stuff.
Pizza sauce or.
Help. It would make a great dipping something.
It's stiff.
Like,
Yeah,
I know. It'd be good when we make the cowboy dip.
Yes. Oh yeah, with any kind of bean dip, cheese dip, it needs a dip. Just eating this plain is not good. Well, looks like I got my work ahead of me. I'll let Daddy eat them.
Any more?
Huh? All this time.
Okay.
Well, I have.
Hey,
I do have one
snack
more.
review because I haven't reviewed it. Have you reviewed it?
Huh?
This one?
No, I have something else. Oh, no, I haven't. Yeah, that's something I got for Cari. So she can review her snack.
It's a Halloween treat. Decorated marshmallow. If I can get into it.
Where's the back one? Oh, there it is. Keep it fresh.
It's just a marshmallow. Decorated marshmallow?
Yep. Get down.
With chocolate. Don't push my baby down.
This is what we have to put up with.
Come here, Donna. Come here, Donna.
This isn't already on. I got me one too. You should have eaten a candy corn with it. Let me smell.
You need me to
Smells
open
like
the gate
marshmallow.
for you, Mom? No, I'll get it. Watch out.
Okay, well, she just walked away.
I'm coming back.
Here is another thing I'm super excited about. Also found at Walmart for $2.48. I looked at the price at this time. Ah! Hershey's whipped cream.
I ate the candy corn. That's
Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Hershey's whipped cream. Oh my gosh. This is awesome. Found at Walmart. Okay. So in. Here we go. Lid off.
Shush your finger.
Done on the proper way. I don't know where my finger's been. Anyway.
it.
Ooh. Oh, wow. Oh, my goodness. I think this is
bigger.
I think this is actually better than the Reese's. Oh! Ah! That is just... Oh my gosh. I'm not grossed out now watching you. I'm wasting my chocolate. It's good. I like it.
I gotta clean this mess up now.
Okay, so here's our review. This is awesome. It's actually, I think it's better than Reese's.
It's good.
These are
So. Better for just
dipping. They're good for dipping. And this little marshmallow treat, this is found at Target. Target, Walmart, Cracker Barrel. It's like $1.
Sorry for the grossness.
This is really weird. Alright guys, remember, like, subscribe, and share. The more followers I get, the more I want to do more snack reviews. And
I'll try to be
the
on
more
more too.
crazy times you'll see. Well, I do them when I want. And you're not around. Wow.
Okay, I'm hungry now, so I'm gonna go. Bye.
Bye-bye, everybody. Thanks for watching. Remember, eat the cream. I wouldn't recommend these. And eat the marshmallow.
Oh, did you see the new plates I got?
Bye-bye.